Sige, sumat na.
T8.
Yan yung ano, magaling mga ano.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Dito daan.
Dalawang beses ako niya napatay.
Yung mga late ikot na lang kayo. Mga late, ikot na lang. Ditang sundaan na. Spam the second ground, Spam. Go back, northwest, more northwest. Yung party 1 na, sa ano kayo mag-engage? Sa golem kayo mag-engage. Wait lang, brawlers. Wait for my call.
Mag-osin na baka may
Oh, sino, puta po si. Hindi niya ang backline. Look on the crown, inch up, on the crown, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1, on the crown now, it's huge. Brawlers walking, defensive, shield. Heal up, brawlers walking,
Lumabas yung party pa namin, bro.
brawlers walking. Ba't isa lang brawler na nakikita ko dito? Okay, heal up, stabilize, yung the rest of the party, go back and stabilize.
Pailo ko.
Wala ka, party finder, bedroom.
Sige lang. Brawlers, on the crown again. Wait. Keep rolling, yung brawlers lang. Stabilize, wag niyong iwanan yung choke, firewalls kung meron. On the crown again, on the choke, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the crown, it's huge. Sige lang, go back again.
Boy,
Stabilize. Hitang, step up. Nag-headbutt, gago.
Kuhanin mo sa akin sa kaliwa.
Sige lang.
Sige.
Kill Yosra. Heal na toy. Sige lang. On the crown, yung sa W's dyan, sa mga nasa loob. Ditang, step up. Eto no, looking na. Purging yan, yung mga nasa loob. 5 seconds. Spread. On the crown, in 5. In 4. 3. 2. In 1. On the crown. Sige lang. Heal the bridge. Heal on the bridge. Drop sacred grounds. Drop sacred grounds. 20 seconds, let's engage. Brawlers, walk in. My brawlers, walk in. Just the brawlers. Walk in. Walk with the D-tanks, The rest of the party, wait. We're going to engage separately. Brawlers, go back now. Now go back, brawlers. Pull them to the choke, brawlers. Catch the heals. Now look on the crown, in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1, on the crown. It's huge. Delete them. Brawlers walking. Finish them. Drop UDs. Heal up. Brawlers, heal the D-tanks. Look, southeast again. Keep rolling. Sige lang. Keep rolling. Walk southwest now. Southwest in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southwest. It's huge. Now spread. Go back north. Stabilize. Go back north. North. Heal up. Walk north and spread. More north of the crown. Go back to the choke, boys. Stop rolling. Go back to the choke. Go back to the choke. Sige lang. Keep pulling them. Stay on the choke. Stabilize.
Healer ako, bro.
Now look southeast. Now look southeast. Wait. Southeast in 5, in 4, 3, 2, in 1. Southeast now. Southeast. Delete this one. Kill this one. Now go back again. Don't pass the choke. Go back. Ready firewall. Heal the front line. Heal the front line, boys. Pop pots. Defensive. Brawlers walking now. Brawlers. The rest of the party. Go back. Brawlers, go back. Brawlers walking. Heal the front line. Walking yung brawlers. Now look. The rest of the party. Look southeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southeast now. Southeast. Delete this one. Now go back again. Bro, D-tanks and brawlers. Control them. Heal the brawlers. Heal the front line.
Pinya si Peanut.
Go back again. Stabilize. Go back and stabilize. Let me mount up. Catch the heals. Let me mount up. Go back, stabilize, spread. Sige lang. Sige lang. Alis dyan sa choke, alis dyan sa choke. Ulungin na uli sila. On the crown in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. It's huge, it's huge. Delete this, delete this. Do this. Firewalls on the bridge, firewalls on the bridge. Sige lang, bam now. Brawlers
Sige
walking,
lang,
brawlers.
bakit yung DPS, Alex?
Go back, Dominic, go back. You're deep, boy, you're deep. Bro, you're deep. Don't pass the choke, go back. Go back with the party.
Tama.
Pass the choke, northwest, northwest.
Heal lang.
Walk away, heal the D-tanks. Alis kayo dyan sa bridge, looking na uli yung route doon. Magpupul na uli yan. Sige lang, go deep, northwest. Stabilize, heal the front line. May D-tanks, go more deeper, northwest, D-tanks. More, D-tanks.
Pagkatagal mo, kanina ka pa namatay.
Namatay siya, sarap.
Dalawang beses.
Hilson gone. Spread. Wait. Defensive sundat. Enig. In 5, on the crown. In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On the crown now. Delete. Kill that one. Brawlers walking. Brawlers lang. The rest, stabilize the bridge.
Kailangan ko.
Heal the front line. Heal on the front line, boys. Now look south now. Stay spread. Keep rolling. Pump purges. Nice. Now spread. Now look again on the ground. 5, 4, 3. Keep chasing. 2. Tingnan neto, season to. Sige lang. Now spread. Walang GG, putang ina nyo. Walang GG. Wala, putang ina. Invite. Wala, keep chasing, pre. Ano, pag tayo nauubos, walang GG. Ito, itong ano na to, walang yan to.
Are, karbing.
Sige lang.
Sinobi pa heal. Sinobi.
Chase with the party.
May damage yan.
Sige lang, go back with the party.
Nasaan ka?
Karbing.
Kaya mo pa yan i-chase.
Ting, tinatago. Nabal na. Ito na,
Chase nyo yung chase mo. The rest of the party, go back.
Lulalun.
Ay, Natoy, go back na, Natoy. GG, tang ina kalagitnaan ng laban. Nung katangahan.
Nag-GG siya kasi marami siyang loot.
Oo,
Sa
pre.
kanya halos yung loot.
One name
Kinatay nyo?
Oo, pre. Napatay.
Wala. Kalagitnaan ng laban, mag-GG dito. Nung katangahan. Katangahan mo, nasa ka.